hope they say something.
Right.
Hey, does that belong to you?
Yeah, exactly. You would hope.
Yeah, but you never. I'll take the rabbit.
Yeah, you see him with him on her underarm.
That looks familiar.
Yeah.
And do we eat?
Yeah.
You doing it? Can I get in? I need to work on my baseball names.
All right, go for it.
Did they not like me?
No, they asked where Mushmouth is.
Did they? Here we go. Yeah, make fun of me now.
Here's your other chair back.
All right.
You guys see your teams on the
Thank you,
right-hand
sir.
side
Yep.
there?
Wanna
Make
get
it
started?
skinny in just a minute.
All right. Yep.
All right. Here's Bushmouth's.
The bush. Come see what you were doing.
Where'd that chair come from?
Somewhere.
Okay.
Here we go. Are we ready?
Don't forget your...
What's that? Oh. Here we go. Let me figure this out, guys, where we are. Oh, it's so pretty. Here we go.
Good luck, everyone.
Good luck.
All right, Joe, we'll keep that in mind. Joe said if he doesn't get a hit, you're out of here.
Oh, Joe, you're gonna get a hit, bud. I guarantee it. I can't
Drinking
guarantee.
fountain up front.
Oh yeah, there's a drinking fountain.
All right. You good for a second?
The box is empty. I'm trying to show you guys. Yeah, I'm good. Go ahead. So you guys can see this here. Get my bearings back. Here we go. Pack number 1. Let's pull some hits. LaCroix, Lester, Mark Texria, Elite. No numbers. We got a filler. And Scherzer. Mushmouth in the house. Peterson. Finnegan. There we go. Trevor May. Future Threads. That is for Minnesota. The Twins. Eric, H-I-L. Picking up the Trevor May rookie. Look for some numbers. Don't see any numbers on that. We'll look one more time. Try to hit it in the light. No numbers on that. Yasiel Puig, Elite Stature. David Price. Matt Clark. Matt, I'm not even going to try it. Nolan Ryan, Gold Stars. Carlos Beltran, Alex Cobb. Puig, Cano, I think that's how Rook says it, Cano. Perez, All-Star Salutes. Kyle and Griffey.
How goes it?
Good. I was about to say Kano, but then I said Cano because I remembered.
Hey.
I remembered. Mushmouth is learning. Nelson Cruz.
Said you're doing better than yesterday.
Adam Jones. Carlos. I can't see what that says. Rodon. Verlander and Harvey. The Twins got a hit. Eric did. Nice patch. All right, guys. Tulowitzki. Carpenter. Oh, look at that. That's a nice looking one. And it has to be a crazy name.
Hisashi Iwakuma.
Hisashi Iwakuma.
Mariners.
44 of 125
Nice
for the
one.
Mariners. Where are the Mariners?
Jeremy WHI.
Jeremy WHI. I still want to find it because I want to figure out. Okay, I got it. 44 of 125. 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 44 of Picking up the auto, numbered 44 125. Nice looking card. Fernandez and Mart.
You don't have to read all the base.
No, I have been. McCann, Thomas, Victor Martinez, Gold Stars. Base. Go. Base. Escobar. Carlos Gomez, Elite. All-Star Salute. Randy Johnson, Legend of the Fall. And Taiwan Walker.
Taiwan Walker.
Taiwan Walker. All right, tomato.
Try refreshing again, Eric. Just refresh.
Richo.
Ichiro.
Brayu. Dustin Ackley. What does that say? What is that word? I'm sorry. Collegiate Elite? What? At least I asked instead of...
Yeah, I know.
Oh, there we go. There's a nice die cut. Inspirations. Tim Hudson. 2 of... What is
It's
that?
hard to read. I know this lighting's
50,
terrible.
60, 83?
Looks like 83.
2 of 83 die cut. Pull this away so you can see it. I hate putting fingers on you guys' cards, so I'm going to try not to.
Who's the go-to?
That's Giants, which is going to be Steven, QUI, picking up the die cut. And Kane. All right. Mauer, Posey, and I like teasing everybody, so I like doing this. I've seen this done. Oh, who is it? Oh, nice auto patch. Tyler Collins. Tigers.
You gotta tilt the card a little bit or something. You get. We don't have much light.
Are they saying they can't see it?
No, I ain't saying I can't see it.
144 at 299. Going to Tigers. Steven QUI. Nice hit. Junior and Ripken. Rizzo, Alvarez.
Yeah, it's bad around here, Nate. Somebody was squealing, screeching
Gold
something earlier.
Stars, David
Terrible.
Price.
He's all right. He's been up and down this year. He, when Victor Martinez was out, he was the DH for a few games. He's still in development. I think he'll be a decent ball player. Not going to be like Cabrera or anything.
Look at that. That's a nice one. Eric Hosmer and Alex Gordon back to back for the Kansas City Royals.
Joe AQU.
Joe AQU.
There you go, Joe.
Joe, I told you, buddy. I told you I'd get you one. I always pull through. No numbers, but it is card number 1. I don't see any numbers. Nope. Nice little dual piece there. Roden and Posey. Rodon. I say rodent, but hey.
Yeah, they got snatched out from you. Joe said you're allowed to stay now.
Am I? Thank you, Joe. Solar. Adams.
Hosmer's been on fire lately, too.
Yeah,
Having a pretty good
say
season.
this one.
Can't see it. Schwarber. Kyle Schwarber, he's really
Hype.
good. He's going to be real
Filler.
good. You don't know who Kyle Schwarber is?
No. Torrey Hunter. I know who that is. And Vargas.
You don't have to
Vargas.
read all the base.
It's just habit. My giant forearm.
Gotta get tape and tape that cord down, quit bumping it, tape it to the table. Rodent.
Drew. Max Scherzer Elite All-Star Salutes. Base and base. 2 packs left. Bumgardner. Oh, Eva. It's Eva. Eva's back.
Eva.
Eva's back. George Brett. Here we go.
Don't finger it.
I'm
There you
trying
go.
not to.
Set those cards. There you go.
All right.
Get them out of your way. That way you can grab that by the edge, hold it up to the camera. There you go.
21st century Ben Revere. 64 of 199. Going to Philly, right?
Yep.
Eric HIL. Rivera. Last pack.
All right, Jeremy.
Kyle Seager. Gonzalez.
You got to say the names real quick.
All right. LaCroix. All-Star Salute. I'm not listening to him. I'm going to keep going it the way I want.
That's what they said. If he's going to say the base, I'd rather him say the name real quick.
Thomas Ryan. There. How quick was that?
Lucre. That'll do it for Elite number 14, guys. Eric, just for you, I'm going to stop this video, come back with a fresh one. Get rid of that fuzziness for you. Be right back.